Understanding Black Water Tank, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific term that you might come across in various contexts, especially when talking about RVs, camping, or plumbing. Our focus is on understanding what a black water tank is, its uses, and why it's important. Whether you're an English language learner, a camping enthusiast, or just curious, this video will clarify this term for you. A black water tank is a containment system used to store sewage and wastewater. This term is most commonly associated with recreational vehicles, RVs, boats, and sometimes in portable restroom facilities. The black in its name doesn't refer to the color of the tank, but rather to the type of waste it holds, mainly sewage or waste from toilets, which is often referred to as black water. It's important to distinguish between a black water tank and a gray water tank. While a black water tank holds sewage, a gray water tank stores used water from sinks and showers. This distinction is crucial for proper waste management and sanitation, especially in mobile living situations like in an RV or on a boat. Understanding this difference helps in maintaining hygiene and preventing environmental pollution. Maintaining a black water tank is essential for health and environmental reasons. It involves regular emptying and cleaning to prevent odors, blockages, and bacterial buildup. There are specific procedures for safely disposing of the waste, usually at designated dumping stations. This process is vital for anyone owning or using an RV or boat with such a system, as improper handling can lead to health hazards and environmental issues. I hope this video has helped you understand what a black water tank is, and why it's a crucial component in certain vehicles and facilities. Remember, it's all about managing waste responsibly and maintaining good hygiene standards. If you're planning an RV trip or getting into boating, this knowledge will definitely come in handy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.